everybody here. Wake up video. Ito na yung city proper ng Zamboanga City. McDonald's. Here near the in front of Cathedral. Ito yung ang tawag nito, SMN Pro. Yan o, SMN Pro. Yan ang SMN Pro. Wag dyan. Muntik lang. So happy holiday near the Christmas season. Yan yung SM. Maliit lang ito pero sa city proper.
Tag 100 lang ako. Brooks.
Village City, dito lang kami ngayon. Thank you for watching.